Shomori Pass. Yeah.
Today just wasn't our day. It is super storming, so there's no swimming today, but that's where we usually jump off the rocks right there, and I hope we'll get to do it in the next few days. But man, the water is ferocious today. Oh yeah. So today, it was we went through the monsoon, so they didn't allow us to swim at the main emerald pool. But you know what I love doing anyways? I love earthing, so what I do is I tackle these bad boys barefoot. That's how we doing it. One with nature, But I would suggest not just jumping into it. I mean, I've been doing this for years. I started with some of the smaller waterfalls around Thailand, right? So you always gotta look for twigs and all that good stuff. And if you're not in a national park, then you have to look out for glass and most likely some debris that's fell over. So, but the funnest thing to do is not to wear your Nikes. It is to do this bad boy barefoot. Makes you feel alive. One with nature.
Now I'm trying to rule the world. Yeah. As the globe turns, I hold on and let it spin.
3, go. One great thing about Khlong Phlu Waterfalls is the fish that naturally eat the dead skin. Khlong Phlu Waterfalls is one of my favorite on Chang Island, and today was the first time where we hit the monsoons and we weren't able to swim in the big emerald pool, but we ran into some more fish friends. Alright, I love you guys. Hold on, my nephew want to say something. Say bye to everybody.
Hi everybody.
What about bye? What about bye?
Swimming everywhere with me. That never go away. Because I am the waterfall and they have fish here. And there are millions of fish here. And looking underwater.
That's probably me when call waiting says unknown. On tropical islands with models from Sierra Leone. Hinge fit Nagosteens, writing scripts in my phone. Great for the ghetto, showed me where I had to get to. We dig the zag, which loopholes I had to step through. The journey from less than 0 to 6.